After cutting your nylon weaving, you will be wondering, how about uh, making a hole out of it? Before I used to, I'm using the soldering iron, electric soldering iron, but I found out that it is very messy. Um, some would leave uh, the melted weaving would leave here, and once it cooled down, it is very difficult to put the grommet on it because of the excess melted nylon on it. The good thing is the this equipment for hot knife are actually comes with several um, attachments. It is this is not just for the hot knife for cutting, but it it is also used for making a hole. See, here is the attachment of that one. Depending on the size of the grommet that you are using. In my case, I'm using a 5 millimeter, 4 millimeter, and 3/16 of an inch because I have small grommets that when I bought before the grommet. In your case, I could already tell you what's the exact grommet that you have to use. However, in my case, when I am doing the research, I have to buy different types of grommet, different sizes, just to see to it which one is really ideal for preparing our cord. Now I am going to demonstrate to you how easy it is to make a hole using this using the what we call hot punch. Actually, they call this one hot punch. The other one they call it hot knife, but this one they call it hot punch. Okay, it's already very warm. By the way, uh, some of the those weave that's being cut would get inside. I'm just using to remove it. So, actually, it would melt out and go down to the cup where this one is. I put it there as a holder, or you could remove it using just a wire, or sometimes I'm even using this just the pencil. Now, okay, let me show you how easy it is to make a hole here. See, very easy. It is very clean. See, if you notice also the melted part of the weaving, just feel because it's very warm. It's very hot. You have to be very quick, especially in this nylon weaving, not the tubular. The tubular, it's a little bit okay, but the nylon weaving, once you stayed this hot pants too long, it would also melt, making a very big hole. So yes, make it there. Oops. See, this is the one that I told you that it's not very good when using uh, soldering iron. In this case, it's very easy to remove. Okay. Let's see, two more. I like the tubular weaving better. So, very clean.